You know how I know that the left just disagrees with everything that our current administration does? Look at the destruction of the Venezuelan drug runner boat. It was tracked from the time that it was being loaded in Venezuela, being loaded with drugs, and tracked all the way to the point where they were headed towards one of our southern states. And the left is saying they deserve their day in court and they deserve due process. Well, those drugs are responsible for killing hundreds of thousands of people. Why wouldn't they defend the families who have had somebody die because of these drugs? Why don't they defend Americans? It's because they're un-American. And it's because they just want to disagree with everything Trump does to try to tear him down. And I think they would do the same to anybody who is in power that is not on their left side. You know, a Democrat. So when they defend cartel drug dealers, it's absolutely ludicrous. And if you still believe in the Democratic Party, you really need to have your facts checked. Maybe you should even have your head checked. And it's not just my opinion. There's a whole bunch of videos out there about the same type of stuff. I'm just trying to spread it. Hook, Line, and Truth is back. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you.